DMV-ICONS presents Summer Yacht Vibes. Come experience the Lagos party on the yacht with DJ Slimzy, hosted by Nollywood actor WALE ADEBAYO and Mr. Folari. For tickets and bookings, go to dmviconsyachtvibes.com or call 443-469-7376. This is a party you don't want to forget. Tickets, Crew Lounge 210, Captain's Cabin 310, Couples Deck 500. Summer Yacht Vibes with DMV-ICONS. Proudly sponsored by Coma House Realty, Primary Residential Mortgage Inc., Junction Title Company, Shanti Skincare, Glam Plus, Fabrics by Sayomi, Bracelets by Brianna. Proudly supported by Ayamik Entertainment, Pure Sound System, Zamani Entertainment, Box Office Entertainment, and Afro Links Live. It's a summer to remember. What's up, Vicky Malice? We baking hot